Welcome in Education Success. Today we will see Bluetooth discovery using BlueZ, hcitool and hcidump. First we will see how the Bluetooth works. Bluetooth device communicates using the radio waves in the 2.4 GHz frequency band. When two devices want to connection, they go through a process. That process is called pairing. During the pairing process, they exchange their security keys to encrypt their communication and establish a secure connection. Bluetooth hacking refers to the unauthorized access and manipulation of Bluetooth enabled devices by exploiting vulnerabilities in the Bluetooth protocol. Now we will see types of Bluetooth hacking. There are main four types of Bluetooth hacking. First one is bluejacking, second blue snarfing, third blue bugging, and fourth one is blue ball. First we will see bluejacking. Sending unsolicited messages or contacts to nearby Bluetooth enabled devices is called as the bluejacking. In this, messages usually appears as a notification or pop-up on the recipient's device containing text or multimedia context. Second type of Bluetooth hacking is blue snarfing. It is access and steal sensitive data from a targeted device. It involves unauthorized access to the device stored information such as contacts, text messages, emails, or even files. Next type is blue bugging. In this, attacker gains complete control over a targeted device and execute various commands on the device, including making calls, sending messages, accessing data, and even eavesdropping on conversation. Fourth type is blue bond. In this, it allows hackers to take control of multiple devices within the Bluetooth range without any user interaction. Now we will see how to protect our devices from Bluetooth hacking. First, keep your Bluetooth devices updated. Second, set strong and unique password. Third one, disable Bluetooth when not in use. Fourth one, be cautious of unknown devices and connections. Fifth, use Bluetooth security apps and tools. Now we will see what is the Bluetooth hacking. In the Linux implementation of Bluetooth protocol, its protocol stack is called as the BlueZ. BlueZ is already installed in Kali Linux. BlueZ has a number of simple tools we can use to manage and eventually have Bluetooth. BlueZ include hcifonfig tool, hcitool and hcidump tool. These three tools we will use here. hcifonfig tool, it operates very similarly as a hcifonfig in Linux, except that it operates on Bluetooth devices. Second tool is hcitool. This is an inquiry tool. It can provide us with device name, Bluetooth ID, device class and device clock. Third tool is hcidump tool. This tool enables us to sniff the Bluetooth communication. First, now we will see in detail of first tool, hcifonfig tool. hcifonfig tool, this is the visibility tool, not an attacking tool. hcifonfig is a Bluetooth interface management tool, not an exploiting tool. Through this hcifonfig tool, what we can do with this tool interface management, that we can set it as up or down or reset it. Second, we can checking the adapter capabilities using this tool. We can see supported modes and features of the Bluetooth. We can verify device modes, that is discoverable or coverable, etc. We can enable or disable discoverability of the Bluetooth through this tool. We can troubleshoot Bluetooth stacks and reset or troubleshoot the controller. Now we will see how to perform the practical on hcifonfig. Before that, we have to install the BlueZ tool. So we will see how to install the BlueZ. To install the BlueZ, we can use the command sudo apt install -y BlueZ utils if BlueZ is not installed in your Kali Linux, but by default Kali Linux have installed this sudo. If not, you can install by using the command sudo apt install -y BlueZ utils. After that, we can see if the service is on or not. So we have to start the Bluetooth service. So next command is systemctl start bluetooth.service. Next, after the starting the Bluetooth service, we will check the status of Bluetooth service. It is on or not. So systemctl status bluetooth.service command. First, we will run these three commands. Here is the screenshot of the command systemctl status bluetooth.service. When we run this command, you will see here Bluetooth service loaded and active, that is the active running, that present in here green color. You can see the status is running. Before performing the Bluetooth hacking, we have to one quick checklist for the Bluetooth hacking, that we have to check adapter is up or down. Second, devices, the Bluetooth devices is discoverable or not. Third, using correct scan type, that is there are the two types, classic or BLE type. Next, Bluetooth service is running or not, and the Bluetooth is not blocked by RF skill. So we have to check this, and after that we will start our Bluetooth hacking. So first, basic commands we will see. Commands to see the Bluetooth status: sudo service Bluetooth status command. To check the service or to start the service, we can use the command sudo service Bluetooth start. Now we want to make it up, so you can use the power on command or up power command. After that, we are using BlueZ commands from the hciconfig. So first command is hciconfig. Next, we will set up as the up. So sudo hciconfig hci0 up. Next command is starting the service, sudo service Bluetooth start, or we can use the next command sudo systemctl restart Bluetooth. Next, we can check the status of the Bluetooth by using the command systemctl status Bluetooth, and after that we can scan the Bluetooth services. So hcitool scan. One by one we will see how the command works. First command is sudo service Bluetooth status. It will show the status of the Bluetooth device. First, it will ask you the password as shown in the screenshot. When we type the password, it will show you the status. Here, active, in the active, under the active label, you will see the status of this Bluetooth is inactive. In bracket, it is called as the dead. So your status of the Bluetooth is now inactive. For the Bluetooth hacking, we have to make it active. So we will start the services, sudo service Bluetooth start command. After that, we have to make it upower command or power on command. So we will type the command upower. Here I have given you some screenshots of the commands. After the upower, now again we have to check the service is active or not. So next command is sudo service Bluetooth status. Now see, in the status it shows the running status, and active, that is inactive in bracket running. So now our Bluetooth service is active and it is now running. We have make this active by the previous command, that is the sudo service Bluetooth start. Once we run this command, then our Bluetooth service is acting or running, we can say, as shown in the screenshot. Now we will see the steps of the Bluetooth hacking. First, we are enable our Bluetooth on Kali, that we have set it as a running or active. After that, use the hciconfig command to enable the Bluetooth adapter. Next command, scan the Bluetooth devices using hcitool. Fourth step, scan for services with SDP tool. Next step, determine if Bluetooth devices are reachable with L2 ping. Step 6, scan for Bluetooth devices with BTS scanner. Step 7, Bluetooth sniffing with BlueMaho. So first step is check and enable the Bluetooth adapter using hciconfig command. So first we will check the Bluetooth interfaces. To check the Bluetooth interfaces, first command is hciconfig. hciconfig will give you some outputs like hci0. See an example output HCI0. Type is primary, bus is USB drive, USB, and BD means Bluetooth address. That MAC address is given of the Bluetooth and it shows up running means Bluetooth service is up and running. Second example of output shows type primary, bus, USB bus serials, BD address means Bluetooth address given, service is up running, and they are giving some data here, that how many data are they have captured. Now here note down the following things. When you run this command hciconfig, we have to focus on only three things. What is the interface name? In this interface name is HCI0. It is by default name of our Bluetooth interface. So when we run the hciconfig, they will ask you three things. What is the interface? So interface is HCI0. What is the Bluetooth address? So Bluetooth address mentioned under the BD address. BD address means Bluetooth address. That is the Bluetooth MAC address. And third things we have to notice here, what is the status? In our example of the screenshot I have shown here, the status is up running, that adapter is enabled. Means first we have to check the adapter is enabled or not, Bluetooth address and interface. These three things we have to notice down from the hciconfig command. As you can see in this screenshot, we have a Bluetooth adapter that has a MAC address of 10:AE:60:58:F1:37. This is the MAC address of the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth stack has named it as a HCI0 by default. So here we can see HCI0 is the Bluetooth interface. Now the status is up or running. Now second command is enable the Bluetooth adapter. Once we know our adapter name is HCI0 now. Now we have to make this adapter on. So next command is enable Bluetooth adapter. Now let's make sure it is enabled and ready to use. So first we will write the command sudo hciconfig hci0 up. Why I am mentioning here hci0? Because our interface name is hci0. Otherwise we will, if it is hci1, we will write the hci1. So I will write the command sudo hciconfig hci0 up. Once we have configured it, hci0 is now ready to use. So now see, if I write the HCI1 is up, it will show me up services or up running. Now after the use of it, I can disable the adapter if needed. So to disable the Bluetooth adapter, I will write the command sudo hciconfig hcidown. Okay. For the up service, I will write the command sudo hciconfig up. Otherwise, I will make it sudo hciconfig down. To view the details information about this, we will write the command hciconfig-a. So it will show me what is the Bluetooth interface. Here in our example, HCI0 is the interface. It will show the BD address, that is the Bluetooth MAC address. It will show the status. Here the status is up, running and pscan. It will show us again here, we can see here name, it is the Kali. Class of the Bluetooth type, it shows OX7C010C. I will tell you what is the class name indicates. Next, the Bluetooth class is computer, laptop. What is the manufacturer? It will show all the details. So this is the summary of the command that we have used. Three commands. To enable the Bluetooth adapter, we write sudo hciconfig hci0 up. To disable the Bluetooth adapter, if needed, we write sudo hciconfig hci0 down. And to view the detailed information, we write the command hciconfig-a. Once we enable the Bluetooth adapter, now our next step is to check the Bluetooth status. So next command is to check the Bluetooth status. Write the command systemctl status Bluetooth. It will show the status that the Bluetooth is running or not. So see in example, it shows in the blue color status is running. Now our Bluetooth is running. Once our Bluetooth is running, now we can scan our Bluetooth devices. So next step is scanning the Bluetooth devices using hcitool scan. So to start with penetration testing, we need to gather information about our environment. For this purpose, scan our available Bluetooth devices with the included package hcitool or Bluetooth CTL. We can use the command sudo hcitool scan or sudo hcitool scan. The output, sample output I am representing here. Suppose example, my Bluetooth is on of the Samsung Galaxy mobile, or my Bluetooth speaker is on. It will show me the MAC addresses and name of my Bluetooth devices. Example 001122334445. It is the Bluetooth MAC address of my Samsung Galaxy phone. Next example 66778899 AABB. It is the MAC address of my Bluetooth speakers. This shows two things. When we scan, it shows two things: MAC address of the device and device names. So scanning for Bluetooth devices, we use the command sudo hcitool scan or hcitool scan. It will show MAC addresses and Bluetooth device names. Instead of that, we can use the command sudo hcitool scan. This is the screenshot of sudo scan. Sudo hcitool scan. If the above command not works, first run the command to check if it is blocked by RF kill. If scanning is not performed, it may be blocked by the RF kill. So first write the command RF kill list. It will show you the list of the Bluetooth devices that is blocked by the RF kill. And after that, write the command sudo RF kill unblock Bluetooth. If any services or any Bluetooth is blocked by the RF kill, we have to first unblock it. So write down sudo RF kill unblock Bluetooth. Next command is Bluetooth CTL scan on. It will show you the message set discovery filter is success. Next command is sudo hcitool scan. It will scanning all nearby Bluetooth services and it will show the all Bluetooth addresses and their Bluetooth names. Next command is Bluetooth CTL. Alternatively, you can use the Bluetooth CTL to scanning, so which is also included in the BlueZ package. So we will write the command Bluetooth CTL. When we run this command, it will first show the output as agent registered and agent on. After that, agent is registered and default agent, and they will show you the list of Bluetooth devices, nearby Bluetooth devices and their Bluetooth names. Next command is systemctl start bluetooth.service. When it will start the service, next we will run the status Bluetooth CTL status bluetooth.service. It will show the running status. And then we will see the status sudo service Bluetooth status command. This is all over the summary of our Bluetooth hacking devices commands. Now, after that, we have to use device inquiry. We want to know what is the class and clock offset it used. It identifies the device class and clock offset. To get the class and offset, we run the command hcitool inquiry, that is INQ command. Once it starts, it will starting the inquiry and it will give the output like MAC address, their class and clock offset. What it indicate? The class is here, suppose 0x5A 020C. Next example, class 0x240404. So what it indicate? First field indicate the MAC address. MAC address is unique Bluetooth device address. Second thing indicates class, that is the device class. What the device class indicates? It is the indicate device types. Maybe your Bluetooth is a phone Bluetooth, computer Bluetooth or headset, etc. So it will show the class of the device. Next, it shows the clock offset. It is used for synchronization during the communication. So when we are using the command INQ, that is the device inquiry, it will gives me the three outputs: MAC address, device class and clock offset. So in first example 0x5A 020C class, it indicates it is a smartphone. Second one 0x240404, it device me the audio device like mouse or keyboard. And third, suppose it will show 0x08243C type, it may indicate it is a headphones or hands-free Bluetooth. So we will run the command hcitool inq. It will show me Bluetooth MAC addresses, their clock and their class. So note that it also displays the clock offset and class. The class indicates what type of Bluetooth device it is, and we can look up the code by going to the service discovery web page on the Bluetooth SIG website to see that what kind of device it is. So this is the output of hcitool. Next command is scan device services. Scanning the services with SDP tool browse. Service Discovery Protocol, that is the SDP, is a protocol, Bluetooth protocol for searching for all services. BlueZ has a tool called SDP tool that is able to check on a device all the services it has. We can use it by typing the command SDP tool browse. So to discover the Bluetooth services supported by this device is SDP tool browse and write down the MAC address of that device. It will show the output. Example output is like Bluetooth service OBEX object push, or it may be the hands-free audio gateway. It may show headset audio gateway or audio sync. This shows services such as file transfer, audio streaming, headset communication. So information obtained is available Bluetooth services, file transfer, audio streaming and headset support. So we will type the command SDP tool browse and MAC address of Bluetooth. Here we will see this tool has detected all the information about the services that this device can use. Now check if the device is discoverable or not, or reachable or not. So to checking the reachability, we can use the command L2 ping command. Now that we have the MAC address of all nearby devices, and now we can ping them whether they are in discovery mode or not. So once we know the MAC address of Bluetooth, we will check it is in discovery mode or not. So to check it, or that is the reachability of the device, we are writing the L2 ping command with their MAC address. Example, we have pinged the command with the MAC address 00 11 22 33 44 45, and it will show me the data when I start the ping. If the device is respond, or if the device is showing some output like this, it means it is the reachable device. It may be in discovery mode, so Bluetooth connection is possible. This indicates that the device MAC address 76 6F 46 65 72 67 is in range and reachable. If it is, start the ping. We can stop the ping or scanning of this with the Control C. Now this is the summary of important command that we have seen. We have seen first command hciconfig to check the interface. Second, sudo hciconfig hci0 up to make the service up. Next, hciconfig /-a. Next, for scanning, hcitool scan. For the inquiry, hcitool inq. Next command, SDP tool browse with the MAC address. And for the ping, sudo L2 ping with MAC address. This is the summary of Bluetooth hacking commands using the hciconfig, hcitool. So this is the summary of the commands. To know the Bluetooth adapter status, we are using the command hciconfig. To check the nearby MAC addresses and names of the devices, we use the command hcitool scan. To know the device class types, we write the command hcitool inq. To know the clock offset, again we are using the same command hcitool inq. To know the available services of the Bluetooth, we use the command SDP tool browse. To know that whether the device is reachable or not reachable or discoverable or not, so we are using the command L2 ping with the MAC address of the Bluetooth device. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share this video. Thank you.